To hide a specific panel of the edge panels on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe the edge panel's handle inward to open up the edge panel, and then tap setting icon next to the panel. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap hide on lock screen. As the example, we will hide apps panel. To do so, tap the gray on off switch next to apps until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see the result, go to your lock screen. Swipe the edge panel handle inward to open up the edge panel. You can see that the content of the apps panel is hidden. To use this panel, tap the panel and then enter your current screen lock before you can use the panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.